I'm known as Barnaby Spoon. I make my living from carving wooden spoons. Today I'm making a small cooking spoon. The really wonderful thing with craft is that you tend to be making the same thing over and again, which means that you develop a stronger relationship with what you're making. I got into spoons like a lot of woodworkers just because it is the perfect woodworking project. They just absolutely captivated me. I'm completely in love with wood as a material and trees as living things. I'm using some fresh birch. I'll saw it to length and then split a billet out with an axe and a mallet. You want to remove as little material as possible. Carry on with the axe and I'll create the rough shape, spoon blank, that I can then carve with a knife. A long time ago when I set out on my kind of spoon journey, I lived in the woods and I would sit on the pavement and carve spoons. And that bought me a lot of time, and I spent that time learning. The process of making the spoon means much more to me than the actual spoon I end up with. One of the things that spoon carving's brought me actually is a strong sense of self-esteem. Valuing the skills that I've learned actually is a way of kind of valuing myself. So when I'm working on the spoon, I'm kind of homing in on a shape that I've got in mind. Just the act of carving gets you into the zone. Each shaving you take is going to have an impact on how the next shaving goes. At a certain point, you just have to let go and it needs to float off into its new life. It's such a wonderful thing. It's such an incredible way for us to connect with our food, with each other, with trees and nature. I feel incredibly fortunate to be able to live the way that I do. And, totally like we should all be grateful for this incredible planet that we live on.